Find the missing number. 3 to 8 equals 12 to what? Is it A, 30, B, 32, C, 36, or D, 40? Welcome to Nova Mathics. Today we'll explore ratios, from simple comparisons to fractions and percentages. Get ready to learn and have fun. 1. Which number makes this proportion true? Correct answer is 8. 3 times what? Equals 4 times 6. That's 24. So x is 8. 2. Which proportion is correct? Correct answer is 3 to 7 equals 9 to 21. 3 times 21 equals 63, and 7 times 9 equals 63. That makes it a true proportion. 3. Complete the proportion. 5 to 8 equals 15 to what? Correct answer is 24. 8 times 15 is 120. Now divide by 5. X equals 24. 4. Which number completes this proportion? 7 to 9 equals what to 18? Correct answer is 14. 7 times 18 is 126. Divide by 9. The missing number is 14. 5. If 4 cups of juice serve 8 people, how many cups are needed for 24 people? Correct answer is 12. 4 over 8 equals x over 24. Cross multiply. 8 times x equals 96. X is 12. 6. Which proportion is correct? Correct answer is B. 5 times 14 and 7 times 10 both give 70. So the proportion is true. 7. Which number completes this proportion? 6 to 10 equals what to 20? Correct answer is 12. 6 times 20 is 120. Divide by 10. X is 12. 8. 1 centimeter equals 5 kilometers on a map. How many kilometers is 6 centimeters? Correct answer is 30. 1 to 5 equals 6 to x. Cross multiply and solve. X is 30. 9. Which number completes this proportion? 9 to 12 equals what to 16? Correct answer is 12. 9 times 16 is 144. Divide by 12. X is 12. 10. Which is a correct proportion? Correct answer is B. 3 times 10 and 5 times 6 are both 30. This proportion is correct. 11th. Find the missing number. 2 to 3 equals 8 to what? Correct answer is 12. 2 times what equals 3 times 8. That's 24. So x is 12. 12. Which proportion is true? Correct answer is B. 2 times 6 and 3 times 4 both equal 12. The proportion is true. 13. A recipe needs 3 eggs for 6 pancakes. How many eggs for 18 pancakes? Correct answer is 9. 3 over 6 equals x over 18. Cross multiply. X is 9. 14. Complete the proportion. 7 to 8 equals what to 32? Correct answer is 28. 7 times 32 is 224. Divide by 8. X is 28. 15. Which proportion is true? Correct answer is B. 2 times 10 and 5 times 4 both equal 20. The proportion is correct. 16. Find the missing number. 5 to 12 equals 20 to what? Correct answer is 48. 12 times 20 is 240. Divide by 5. X is 48. 17. A car uses 8 liters of fuel to go 100 kilometers. How much fuel to go 250 kilometers? Correct answer is 20 liters. 8 over 100 equals x over 250. Cross multiply. X is 20. 18. Complete the proportion. 9 to 14 equals 27 to what? Correct answer is 42. 14 times 27 is 378. Divide by 9. X is 42. 19. Which is correct? Correct answer is B. 4 times 12 and 6 times 8 both equal 48. The proportion is true. 20. Fill the blank. 6 to 7 equals 18. To what? Correct answer is 21. 7 times 18 is 126. Divide by 6. X is 21. 21. Which proportion is true? Correct answer is B. 3 times 12 and 4 times 9 both equal 36. So the proportion is true. 22nd, find the missing number. 4 to 9 equals what to 27? Correct answer is 12. 4 times 27 is 108. Divide by 9. X is 12. 23. A recipe uses 3 cups of flour to make 12 cookies. How many cups for 36 cookies? Correct answer is 9. 3 over 12 equals x over 36. Cross multiply. X is 9. 24. Complete the proportion. 5 to 6 equals 15 to what? Correct answer is 18. 6 times 15 is 90. Divide by 5. X is 18. 25. Which is a correct proportion? Correct answer is A. 4 times 10 and 5 times 8 both equal 40. This proportion is correct. 26. Fill the blank. 8 to 9 equals what to 27? Correct answer is 24. 8 times 27 is 216. Divide by 9. X is 24. 27. If 7 liters of paint cover 21 square meters, how much for 63 square meters? Correct answer is 21. 7 over 21 equals x over 63. Cross multiply. X is 21. 28. Which proportion is correct? Correct answer is C. 6 times 14 and 7 times 12 both equal 84. The proportion is true. 29th. Find the missing number. 3 to 8 equals 12 to what? Correct answer is 32. 8 times 12 is 96. Divide by 3. X is 32. 30. Which proportion is true? Correct answer is A. 5 times 12 and 6 times 10 both equal 60. This proportion is true. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun math lessons. See you in the next one.